Yeah. Come on, you want to read it for him?
Let me read it to you. Wait. Let me read it to you. More money.
Ooh, lucky you.
$5, 25, 10, 50, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 38, 40, 50. $50.
Okay, let's read it.
I'll read it. Happy Kai, my birthday, 5 years old now. But you're still my sweet baby boy. Love you so much. Here's $50. Go have some fun. Hope you like your...
Don't say it.
Hope you like your things you love. Hope you like your
Gift.
gift. Love, Aunt Patty.
Oh, that's so sweet, huh? Toma, you want to go get the scissor? It's over there.
I got it. Here.
Oh. What's that? Is it a boomer?
No, Zoomer.
Is it a boomer?
No, it's Zoomer.
What's a zoomer?
It's a dog.
It's not boomer?
No, let me see. It's a Zoomer's best friend, Bentley. Open it.
What do you say to Patty and John and Uncle Jake?